Hi guys, try nyo mag-join sa Princess Apps. Ayan, mag-ano lang kayo, mag-invest. Tapos, may daily income na kayo. Guys. Yan, 139 yung kita ko. Yan guys, kung gusto nyo subukan, mag-invest lang, install yung apps, tsaka mag-invest. Nakaka-shout na ako nito through Gcash.